has little pods hanging from the tree. Never noticed those before. Alright, so there's the way to Rafiki's Planet Watch. And we are going on the safari. Fast Pass entrance is over here. Only a 10-minute wait. But, you know, got a Fast Pass, you might as well use it. Again, see how empty it is? This is fabulous. Never happened before and probably will never happen again.
Enjoy it while we can.
That's right.
Slide all the way down, make sure those seats are nice and comfy. And we are going to be passing by a lot of brush with very large thorns on them, folks. So make sure you're lean seated and do not lean outside of the truck for any reason. If y'all look above your heads, those pretty pictures of some examples of the animals that we can see while we're on our safari.
That's crazy.
If you're ready to figure out the next show,
Y'all did sign up for the 2-week safari, right?
Yeah.
If not, don't worry, we'll go ahead and upgrade you completely
for crazy today. We got a whole bench to ourselves on the
now, folks, this is a photo safari, so you're more than welcome to take as many pictures as you like. Just hold on to those devices nice and tight, because they cannot stop for anything that might fall out of the truck while we're on the reserve. So we're starting our safari here. The little interior forest, a lot of the animals through here do use the dense foliage as camouflage. So keep your eyes peeled for any hiding in bushes, trees, logs. If you look over to the right over there, way in the corner, those are pelicans. Now, pink-backed pelicans during mating season do get a beautiful pink coloration to the feathers on their back, which is where they get their name from.
See their head sticking out?
Now, folks, up ahead here, there is a bridge. Makes me a little nervous. It's not necessarily that the bridge is in any disrepair, but there tends to be Nile crocodile down at the base of it. So everyone do me a favor, hold on tightly to those seats for me, remain seated as we make our way across. And if y'all look over to your left right about now, you'll see those Nile crocodiles. A Nile crocodile is grown to be about 18 to 20 feet long. They are cold-blooded, so they open up their mouths to cool off their body temperature. They can close their mouths at 2,000 pounds per get on that. to try and park in a place where you can see both the monkeys, the mandrills, which I see one right against the wall over here, and the elephant to the right. Now the mandrill is the largest monkey in Africa. They do have very brightly colored faces, brightly colored butts as well. They do have tails, not very large tails, but tails nonetheless. Now that elephant there is probably an African male bull elephant because he's off by himself. About age 13, they do separate from the rest of the herd and go solitary, or else create smaller herds of other male elephants. He's right by our road to elephant country, so let's come around the corner. Let's head right by. Oh no! Oh, folks, it looks like he dug up our road to elephant country there. Wow, that's a bit of a bummer. You know, I've never been over here to the left. Y'all want to see where it goes?
Sure.
Alright, let's give it a shot. I don't even know if we're allowed back here, to be honest with you. Uh-oh. Ooh, this bridge has seen better days. I don't know. I think we can make it, though, if we go pulley-pulley. That means very slowly. What do you all think?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Alright. We'll go pulley-pulley, like I said. Hopefully it keeps it from falling over and, that doesn't sound good.
That doesn't sound good at all.
That doesn't sound good at all. Almost there. Almost. 2 more tires. And we made it! Yeah! Right there. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Oh, I think I... This is the male lion because he has all that dark brown fur around his neck. Females don't have all that fur. It's known as a mane. Lions are nocturnal animals. During the day they rest about 18 to 20 hours.
Look, there's some more lions.
And there's a female right there. Look at that. Oh, to the right, over here, look. Grant's zebra. Now, Grant's zebra, also known as common zebra, may look very docile, but a single kick from those hind legs can shatter a lion's jaw. There's another female lion right here. Wow. And then the male lion is over here on that second house rock there. Oh, look, there's another female. So I've counted 3 lions so far. Look at that.
Oh yeah, there's the female. And there's the male up there.
Simba, you've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration. And you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hips, and rock your feathers as we welcome you to the festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin. Let's show Simba where he is. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's the lion section, all right. Hey, guys, looks like we're all here. Let's go!
Evolutionary ladder. Let's hear it for the Tumble Monkey.
Yes, you are. Pay attention. My words are matter of it's clear the way it expresses the lights are not all on stairs. But we are talking periods and successions. Even you can be caught unaware. Chance of a lifetime. We pay for sensational. Just listen to teacher. I know it sounds so hit, but you'll be recorded when it arrives.
just filled up our mugs, or my mug, with coffee. They brew 3 gallons at a time, and in the morning, they got like, oh, I don't know how many gallons, but a bunch.
Yeah, so we came back to Pop. It's about 3:30. We did pretty
12
much.
gallons. They got 3 here and 1 here.
We're all about the coffee.
15 gallons of coffee at each station. So
Look, so 1 station, 2 stations, 3 stations.
I'm a coffee drinker. It's very important.
Yeah.
And you have your look mug wash.
So you can clean your mug out in
you just
between.
come in here. It's motion sensor, and you can wash your mugs out. And look right here. They got the green teas. Now this is your cold tea. You got your sweetened. You got your green. Your unsweetened, and you got white tea.
I'm about to try me some green tea.
That sounds interesting.
Yeah, and then your sodas. And so we're going to dry out a little bit because it started raining on us. We saw Festival of the Lion King. We didn't do Finding Nemo, but we did that in September, so we're okay with that. We did pretty much everything we wanted to do in Animal Kingdom. And we're gonna
rode Expedition Everest 10 times.
Yeah.
Stick a fork in me, I'm done.
I know. So we're just gonna decompress for a little bit, dry out, and
go to Disney Springs and have some adult Disney time. Gonna get a drink.
check out the shops.
Go check out the shops.
The kids don't want to hang out at the shop.
We're gonna take advantage of the kids not being with us on that particular thing because they don't like the shop. So
just the Lego store.
She can go and do the shops, and I can have some drinks, and we can have a good time. So
it stopped raining. Oh, okay. Yeah, today the rain is sporadic. It rains and it stops, and it rains and it stops, and it rains and it stops, which is awesome. Oh yeah. Yeah, we haven't gone this way. Tomorrow they're predicting thunderstorms. I'm hoping that'll change because it changes, the weather's changing pretty much on an hourly basis here. Because today it was supposed to be worse than it is, so.
look at the 60s.
You know what I think we should do? When we get ready to leave, we're going to walk over to Art of Animation and catch the bus over there to Disney Springs. Since it's daylight. That is if it's not pouring down raining. Because we haven't done that. Alright, so we are over by, we're in the 60s. And here is the Hippy Dippy pool. Oh, I missed the giant Play-Doh. And there is the main building for Pop. And we are taking a walk through the resort because we haven't done this yet. And we are going across the Generation Gap Bridge to Art of Animation. So here's the little kiddie pool, or little kiddie splash area. Feels nice outside. I saw one person in the pool. You know, we thought people were insane Saturday.
I can swim
when
in the
it was freezing outside and
totally
people were
get in the pool
swimming.
right now.
But I like to see the big yo-yos at the end. So this is in the end of the 60s.
Okay, so that's Art of Animation.
Yeah, I told you it's
It's not
close.
a far walk.
Yeah,
That guy said it was a mile.
I told you he didn't know what he was talking about. So you can see the Art of Animation from here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
because
we're gonna cross the bridge into Art Animation.
Yeah.
Catch the bus.
okay, so we're standing in the middle
This is
of
bicentennial-
the bridge, and that's the 50s over there, and the 60s,
You can't see the. Yeah, there's the.
and the 70s.
There's the green.
It's the green.
Green.
With the 8 tracks, and here's the lake, and then this is Art of Animation. You can see there's the Cars back there, Cars theme, and we're walking into Finding Nemo, and then Lion King is there, and Little Mermaid. A little closer view, Little Mermaid, Lion King. Over there is Cars. And you can see this is Nemo. And I think their big pool is the Finding Nemo pool. So I'm gonna go check it out. All right, this is pretty cool.
Crush. Totally awesome, dude. There's Crush.
Yeah, we have a giant big wheel. They have a giant Crush. The turtle. This little kids,
Yeah,
the little
big
bitty
wheel
kids play
is
area.
And then they got this stingray too.
Mr. Ray.
The big blue pool.
It looks like the big blue pool is shut down.
Big above ground pool, doesn't it?
It looks like it's got a big fence around it.
It does.
I think it must be shut down for refurb.
Oh, here it is.
Oh. Okay.
We're gonna have to take a selfie.
Just give you an idea of how big Crush is. Look, okay, hold on. You're chasing. Let me back up, and back up, and now I've got you all in one shot. Okay, so over here in the big blue pool is the giant goggles that say P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney. There's the pool. We're not going in the pool area, just walking around it. People are swimming over here. It feels good outside and the pool's heated, so we didn't bring our swimsuits. Alright, so this is Nemo, and these are the Nemo buildings, and if you go that way, it's Lion King, and the other way is Cars. You want to go see Lion King first or Cars? Let's go take a little stroll in Lion King. Rafiki is greeting you when you come into Oh, and look how the landscaping. See, it's all like a grassy savanna.
Made
Pretty
it look
cool.
like that.
And then here's Simba. Jason's getting us a picture of Simba. Look, the buildings are painted to look like a savanna. The big trees and the animals. And yeah, all the vegetation planted through here is matching to that type of wildlife. And then look, we've got...
Take a picture of us.
It's pretty cool. Alright, so walking back through here, there's the pool. We're going to the other side. The drop off. This is the main building, the animation hall. We're going to go in there and go through there and catch our bus in a minute. Radiator Springs. There's the sheriff.
Radiator Springs.
Ornament Valley. And here's Doc Hudson to greet you. This is too cool over here. Look,
Yeah.
the path. This was really cool.
Yeah.
Okay, Nemo was neat. Lion King was okay. This is cool.
This is your favorite?
Yeah, Mater used it.
I like Finding Nemo because I'm a water person.
Yeah,
And then I like Radiator Springs second.
yeah. I think if we, I mean, our
But
kids are
the
older,
African
but
exhibit to me is not very pretty. You know.
if we stayed here, especially during summer months, or not summer, but warm weather, we'd stay in the Finding Nemo area. For the kids.
I'm a tropical landscape
Here's
guy.
Flo.
I like the tropical landscapes. I don't like the African landscapes. They're not soothing.
There's
relaxing.
Mater.
This is cool. Mater's my favorite.
All right, we gotta go have a picture with Mater.
Tote Mater.
Tote Mater. On this side, we've got
Casa della
Luigi's Casa della Tires.
Oh, look there. Look through here.
Oh, yeah, the Cozy
Cozy
Cone
Cone.
Motel. So look, here's the office to the Cozy Cone. Lift knob and pull. Pull. So this is the secondary pool. Oh, look how cool. Wheel Well Motel. And look at the little cabanas, our little cozy cones.
The garage.
Yeah, the Sarge's garage. This is really well done in theming. This is pretty awesome.
About as close as you're going to get to Radiator Springs, folks, right here.
Yeah, this is cool. The character montage.
Wow, look at that. That's crazy.
Look at that.
You know, that reminds me of that striped, remember that striped gum, the old packs
Oh,
of
yeah,
striped
yeah,
gum?
yeah.
That's what it looks like. And here's the landscape of Fleet.
Yeah, I've been told it's a pretty good quick service place. Oh, look. Pocahontas. Look, it's a random character. Pocahontas.
Pocahontas.
It's in the ganachery. They're making chocolate pops. They have a strawberry filling.